Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Office version and whether your OS uses the target language, because proofing tools depend on both. Once ready, open PowerPoint and navigate to File, then Options and select Language. This first actionable step shows installed and Office display languages. You may see editing, display, and help language lists. Make sure you have admin rights if you plan to add new proofing packs, or set a different default for all Office apps. Once in language settings, add the desired language to editing or display using the Add a Language button, because you need it listed before setting defaults. If a language shows not installed, click its link to download the proofing tools. This ensures spell check, grammar, and hyphenation work. After installation, select the language and click Set as default for editing or display as needed. Make sure to restart PowerPoint so the new tools and UI language load correctly. To finish, restart PowerPoint and, if necessary, sign out of your Office account and sign back in so display changes propagate. Verify defaults in File Options, Language, and test spell check on sample text. If things go wrong, repair Office from Control Panel or reinstall the language pack. Missing proofing features often mean a partial install. If display language refuses to change, make sure your OS language preferences match or that you have required admin permissions. These are the common blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.